Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable crossplay in Warframe on Android so you can play with friends across different platforms. Now, alright, this is actually super quick to do. So first, while you're in the game, you want to pause it. On Android, you can do this by opening the in-game menu, usually through the main menu or settings icon on your screen. So once the menu is open, by the way, this can be found at the upper left of your screen. There's three horizontal lines or hamburger icon. Click this. From here, you want to tap on Options. And inside the Options menu, you want to look for the System tab, which is the third tab right over here. Now, this is where most of the account and gameplay settings are located. Now, inside the System section, you want to scroll down at the very bottom until you find cross-platform play, just like the one that you can see on the screen. Now, what you need to do here is simply toggle switch next to it. All you need to do is just turn that switch on. After enabling it, make sure you hit confirm so the changes actually apply. And once that's done, crossplay will be active and you will be able to match with players from other platforms like PC or console. That's literally all there is to it. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.